Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit promises a smooth, professional installation right in your factory dash location. It's designed to fit double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, making it compatible with most popular aftermarket units. If you want a clean, gapless finish that blends seamlessly with your dashboard, this kit delivers exactly that. I installed this dash kit myself, and the difference was clear. The precision engineering means there's no awkward spacing or misalignment between the dash and the kit. While the color and texture match the factory dash closely, the plastic has a slightly different semi-gloss finish, nothing that stands out once installed. What really stood out was how easy it was to install. No special tools needed, and the step-by-step instructions made the process straightforward, even for a first-timer. Plus, knowing Scosche has been in the game for over 40 years, producing reliable car stereo accessories, gave me confidence in the quality. What you get with Scosche goes beyond just the product. Their lifetime tech support means you're never left in the dark if you run into questions or need help down the road. On top of that, every installation accessory comes with a limited lifetime warranty. That's a solid promise that the product will stand the test of time. If you're ready to upgrade your car's stereo system with a kit that fits perfectly, looks great, and comes with reliable support, the Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy a clean, professional stereo upgrade without the stress.